Hey you guys, welcome back to Shimi's Kitchen with me Shmala. Today I would like to share an interesting version of mutton recipe. Here I have used black peppercorn powder to bring the spicy flavor and also to give a hot spicy taste to the routine mutton gravy with a twist. And black pepper has got amazing medicinal values and it's healthy to use it in recipe. This kind of gravies taste good during cold winter evenings. So let's see how we make it. Firstly, add 750 grams of mutton pieces in a pressure cooker. You can also use mutton ribs. And to this I am adding 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. Goes in 2 tablespoons of black pepper powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, adding salt as per your taste. Give everything a very good mix. Goes in 1 cup of water. Mix well. To this I am adding 1/4 cup of oil. Now close the lid and pressure cook for 4 to 5 whistles till mutton becomes tender. Once it's done, adjust some salt. Pour some more oil in it, adding 2 tablespoons of oil. Give a very good mix. To this I am adding 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Goes in 2 tablespoons black pepper powder. Fry this for at least 5 minutes in a medium-high heat. And then switch off the flame. Serve hot with rice and rasam. This is one of the oldest recipe I ever knew of my ancestors. This comes from my great grandmother's kitchen. Very simple and easy to make. Do try this at home and let us know how was your experience. Follow us on our Instagram page shimis.kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give a big thumbs up below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the little bell icon and you will get notification every time we post a new recipe. We'll see you next time. Till then, take good care of yourself and happy cooking.